See this muscle right here? That's the diaphragm right here. So the diaphragm separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. And in the abdominal cavity, one of the big things that you're looking at right here is liver, all right? Don't worry about trying to find a gallbladder in the rat, because they don't have one, right? So every now and then I'll go, hey, extra credit if you can find the gallbladder. Oh, yeah. I'll give you 100 points. Make up for an exam, right? So, you guys see the connective tissue right here? Right. And so, as you come down through here, oh gosh, notice how this guy is got a lot of fat everywhere. This guy really messed up. Right? All right. That's a big old secant right there. So, you guys see that connective tissue? All right, so you can feel that, it's pretty tough. So here's the stomach right here. All right. So here's the stomach, and this portion of the stomach, there's a lesser curvature of the stomach. All right, that's the inside tight turn. This is a greater curvature of the stomach. On the greater curvature of the stomach, what you're going to find, so you guys see this connective tissue over here? It's got some fat in there. See, it's kind of shiny, right? The shiny portion. This is the greater omentum.